here it is. Part 2. Me unboxing the Skateboarding Michelangelo figure. Has a sticker that says 40 years of the Turtles. Since the Turtles started out as a comic book series back in 1984, where they all sport red headbands before they eventually went for multicolor headbands in future incarnations, including their first TV series back in 1987, and had their official toy line released in '88. Good packaging artwork. And yes, these are made by Playmates Toys, the people who made a lot of Ninja Turtles figures. Even since the 80s. And you could also find some of these at Walmart and at Target. Here's the figure and the skateboard and the little roller skate thingies. And they're made of solid plastic. Or on the skateboard. But at least this one does have rolling wheels. So you can clip the figure onto this as well. Twist time. And here he is. Skateboarding Mike. Has same articulation as the original release from back in the 90s. Ball joint articulation. Just like the original toys. Good articulation on the arms. And same with the wrists. And his head can move. Good detailing, especially on the clothing that he's wearing. Has his initials. Yes, these do fit on his feet. Gum on there. It's a pretty nice figure. Good detailing on him. I would rate those at 10 out of 10. And there you have it. That's part 2 of my unboxing video. Thank you very much for watching. And I'll see you soon in another video whenever I make one. So peace out, dudes and dudettes.